This is Jim Breen with Advanced Trading Technologies. This video is for users that are clients of mine that I want to pass some information on about what to do if you get different results from what I publish. If you've had a recent computer crash, there can get files that can get corrupted that can influence how the TradeStation platform charts will work and how the as a result how the strategy that we have will work. The first thing you need to do if you've had a computer crash, it's just a good, I think, a good thing to do to eliminate any potential problems is close up your TradeStation platform. Then I'm using Windows 7 here, so you'll have to understand that if you're using a Windows 8 or 10, it might be a little bit different. But you would go to your computer and click on your C drive, and there should be a program files. In this case it's 86. You would double click on that, go down to TradeStation. In this case 9.5 is the version that I'm using. Double click on that, and then click on Program, double click on that, and this is cache file you want to delete. So just right click on it and delete it. Now once you've done that, I'm not going to do it here because I've already done that to mine. Close this up and then restart TradeStation. When you log back in, your charts will refresh. However, you will likely see a little yellow spot up on your charts in the upper left corner. And if you ever get this dialog box, just close it up. As the charts refresh, they're going to have to get all that historical data all over again. And it'll take them a while to reload that information. And once they're done, then the chart should look normal. But initially, there will be a little yellow PD symbol in the upper left corner of your charts. That means the data is still coming into the chart, and you just have to be patient for it to load in. So that's what happens if you have your computer crash, and how to make sure that you have good files, historical price data files, that will definitely impact how the software works. Another thing I want to mention is that when you have a disconnect from TradeStation just because of an internet outage that might last for a short time, one of the things you want to do is go back and after you've reloaded TradeStation, or it gets reconnected, is right click on your chart, go to Format Strategies, click Properties for All, and make sure that this check mark is active, and tick is the data you want, tick data. Sometimes when you have a disconnect from TradeStation and you get reconnected, it'll sometimes resort back down to minutes and sometimes this will be unchecked altogether. So you got to make sure that this is checked and this tick data is active. So just to review, you get to that dialog box by Properties for All, and it's a good idea maybe just to double check that every once in a while. It should not be a problem unless you've had a lot of disconnects. Then you'd want to check it frequently if you suspect that perhaps that might have gotten fouled up. So that's all I have to tell you, and good luck with your trading.